Fam, good evening and happy Wednesday to every single one of you guys. Guys, if your board sounds funny, my bad. I had a tooth pulled, so I have a little bit of cotton in my mouth, but nonetheless, I'm still dropping you guys this video. So I might sound a little funny, guys. It's not my audio, it's me. It's your boy. I got cotton in my mouth. This is your boy Hamid G. I'm about to drop it like it's hot, baby, and break you off the latest and greatest in some Doge and overall crypto news. Now, if you're new to my channel, help your boy out, man. Hit that subscription bell. Maybe give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, or even give it a thumbs down. Whatever, it's all good. Help me out with that YouTube algo, man, so we can get this channel to the masses and spread the word, man. Spread this crypto love all over the universe. Or don't. Just I appreciate you stopping by my channel, man, as a viewer and checking it out. I really appreciate your time, because I know time is of the essence and time is valuable. All right, guys, none of this is financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's get it, baby. All right, guys, Bitcoin is up 5.13%. And Bitcoin is up $43,281 with 13 cents. Guys, as you can see, the overall crypto markets is recuperating, right? We are in the green. And what did I say? We needed Dogecoin. We needed Bitcoin to push up pretty aggressively in order to help Doge. And look at Doge, guys. Doge has shot up aggressively, right? So that's why I said, Dogecoin runs in tandem with Bitcoin, so does the overall crypto markets, right? Granted, there is some coins that have kind of detached from Bitcoin and have been pumping regardless. But nonetheless, Dogecoin runs it's kind of at the hip with Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So that's why it's crucial and important for Bitcoin to aggressively push up if we want Doge to push up like it has right now. All right, guys, Dogecoin is trading at 22 cents. We currently rank number 10 on CoinMarketCap. For all of you that don't know, we were originally number 5, and then we gradually have gone down to the number 10 spot. At least we're holding on to the top 10, right? At least we're number 10, guys, but Avalanche is on our ass, right? Avalanche is on our heels. All right, we are up 8.97% for the day, guys. 24-hour low was 20 cents, and 24-hour high was 22 cents. Market cap is at 28.99 billion, and our volume is at $1.94 billion, right? So volume has gone up just a little bit since yesterday, which is obviously helping the price of Doge to go up, right, guys? So those are two key things that we need if we want Doge to continue to push up aggressively. We need buying pressure, which is volume, right? We need a lot more volume, and we need Bitcoin to continue to push up aggressively as well if we want the price to see the price of Doge continue to push up. All right, guys, let's look at the charts. Let's talk about levels of resistance and support real quick, okay? You know your boy looks at the daily chart, okay? So that's what this is here. So let's talk about support first, okay? So support has not changed. Support is obviously down here. That is at 19 cents, okay, guys? So 19 cents is still level of support, guys. So we do have some bullish technicals going, right? Because this was our resistance right here, where I just made that circle at 21 cents, right? But we broke it. We broke up, right, to the upside, and we're trading at 22 cents. But as you can see right here, right, we almost tested our next level of resistance, right, guys? That is the 10-day moving average, and that is at 23 cents. Okay, guys, so that is our next level of resistance that we need to pass, which is right here. The 10-day moving average at 23 cents. But as you can see right there where I circled it, we just about tested it, right, guys? So things are looking good already, right? I thought Dogecoin was going to consolidate in a little tight more pattern like I had drawn like this, right, for a while, but it's wanting to break out a lot sooner, which is good, right? It's better to break out instead of having to wait for it to consolidate and then break up to the upside later, right? So Dogecoin is doing its thing, baby. All right, guys, so the key takeaway is 19 cents is support, and 23 cents at the 10-day moving average is our resistance, okay? That's what I have for you as far as the technicals go and looking at the charts. Now let's get into some fundamentals here, guys. All right, let's get into this one here, right? It says Red Swan Cree accepts Dogecoin for 2 multifamily property investment vehicles. Now it says Reswan, a tokenized platform focused on the leading commercial real estate sector, is now accepting Dogecoin as one of its payment options for investments in 2 multifamily properties. I'm going to stop right there. Now, guys, we have over 1,600 companies, right? Yesterday, there was another company in the medical field. I think it was Todos, TODOS, which was also a new company to start accepting Doge as a form of payment. Now you have Red Swan, right? The list just continues to go on and on. It's shutting the mouth up of those haters that say, "Oh, who's going to use Doge?" Well, obviously, if people didn't see Doge as a form of payment, they wouldn't be accepting it as a form of payment. You get what I'm saying? So I just wanted to throw that out there. Now it says what happened. It says the properties are Lake House, a 270 unit luxury multifamily development located on Lake Merritt near downtown Oakland, California, and a 251 unit Apollo Apartments in the Seattle suburbs. Hey, that's my neck of the woods, guys, of Edmonds, Washington. Now it says accredited investors will be able to use Dogecoin to purchase fractionalized ownership in the buildings, which can be later traded like stocks. This is good, guys. Now it said the company on its website, this will be the first time a major real estate asset will be available to a specific crypto community. Investments in the properties begin at $1,000 each, as the company is also accepting US dollar and stablecoins pegged to the dollar in addition to Dogecoin. Now it says Red Swan Cree added the combined equity raise for these two deals is $36 million, with $20 million for Lake House and $16 million for Apollo. Now, why does this matter? It says despite a fast-growing popularity in Dogecoin as an investment vehicle, it says transaction opportunities for the cryptocurrency have been relatively limited. In March, Mark Cuban's Dallas Mavericks began accepting Dogecoin payments, making it the most prominent U.S. company to embrace the assets. It says other companies that also accept Dogecoin is the Lavinet carrier Air Baltic, the UK-based web hosting company HostMeNow, and the Canadian internet service provider EasyDNS. But the majority of U.S. corporations are keeping Dogecoin payments off their agenda, although a few have acknowledged the cryptocurrency presence. This week, AMC Entertainment Holdings CEO Adam Aron ran a poll asking the theater chain should they accept Dogecoin as a payment option. The company excluded Dogecoin from the cryptocurrency's options it planned to make available for online payments in this year. Now it says Elon Musk, who has spent a seemingly endless amount of time tweeting about Dogecoin, ran a similar poll in May asking if people wanted Dogecoin payments option for purchasing Tesla. Now it says, despite overwhelming public support for the idea, Tesla has yet not to accept Dogecoin. Alright, guys. Well, like they were saying up here, right, about CEO Adam Aron for AMC, I think there was over 75,000 votes. Yes, right? Or 68% has said yes, they would spend and their Doge as a form of payment to buy tickets and popcorn and et cetera, at AMC. So hopefully we will have AMC under Doge's, not under another company that is going to accept Doge as a form of payment. All right, guys, let's get into some more good stuff here. Now it says Elon Musk and Mark Cuban can confirm much wealth effect from Dogecoin Twitter account tells AMC giant CEO. Says Dogecoin Twitter account has addressed the CEO of the AMC chain of movie theaters, Adam Aron, who is considered beginning to accept Dogecoin for online purchases. He is now running a Twitter poll to find out what the community thinks. By the end of the year, AMC plans to begin accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash since Doge community requests their coin to be accepted. Well, the poll has been started. It says in the tweet, the person behind the Dogecoin account with 2.1 million has recommended that Aron talk to billionaire Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, who are also great Dogecoin supporters. They have seen much wow, the tweet states, hinting at their love to Doge. It says, look, do you want wow? Because that's how you get wow. Ask Mark Cuban and Elon Musk. They have seen much wow, and if you, Sir Adam, would like to see much wow, why not accept Dogecoin? It's just as easy to accept as the others, plus there's a dog on it. Right, it says Elon Musk has given the poll a like on Twitter too. It says Billy Marcus, a Dogecoin co-founder, tweeted to urge the coin's army to put up as much engagement for the AMC Doge poll as possible by voting and liking it. Right, guys? You know what I mean? So, like I said, guys, there's a lot of enthusiasm for AMC to hopefully start accepting Doge as a form of payment. You know what I mean? That's, like I said, that's just another notch under our belt, guys. So, alright, guys, now that is what I had for as far as Dogecoin news goes, right, guys? Now, let me drop this one right here for you guys, okay? Now, it says, Whale grabs 321 bitcoins while Bitcoin is dropping. Bitcoin is dropping now. Holds 100,794 Bitcoin in total. Now, why am I talking about this? Why, guys? Because it just shows you people are still buying the dip, right? People are panicking because we have some red days and they start panic selling, right? And selling at a loss. I don't. Hopefully you guys don't either. My community, my viewers, hopefully my subscribers, hopefully you guys are smart enough, right, guys, to, buy the dip, not panic sell, right? That's how you lose, man. Now, it says data provided by Bitfino charts shows that this third large cryptocurrency whale has added another 321 bitcoins to their holdings. The total balance of the Bitcoin wallet of the whale now continues a mind-blowing 111,794 bitcoins, which is 4.75 billion in fiat equivalent. It says the anonymous whale has purchased a massive Bitcoin lump of an average of 41,000, right? So basically, when it dipped down to 41,000, this individual bought up 13.5 million more worth of Bitcoin. Now, it says now holding almost 5 billion worth of Bitcoin on his crypto address. Further data from the Bitcoin analyst website shows the amount of Bitcoin the wallet is holding now. He holds a total, or she holds 0.5939% of the whole Bitcoin supply. The wallet has seen 446 incoming transactions and 54 outcoming ones. So in other words, he's been buying more than selling, right? Then it says besides, the wallet contains $2.5 billion worth of unrealized profit. All right, now it says small Bitcoin holders own 13.9% of Bitcoin supply. According to a recent tweet by the popular on-chain data vendor Glassnode, wallets of smaller Bitcoin holders together own 14 times more than the aforementioned crypto whale. They continue stacking up on the leading crypto when it suffers substantial price corrections. In other words, guys, they are buying the dip, right? These whales are smart, man. A lot of people sell, right? Because they get scared. Now, it says using data provided by the crypto analyst Willy Woo, who is he's bad, man. He knows what he's talking about. Glassnode has tweeted that Bitcoin addresses with less than 10 Bitcoins on balance says they have been accumulating Bitcoin faster than before since the digital gold got kicked back from its all-time high of 64,863 in mid-April. It says at the moment, these small holders own almost 14% of all the Bitcoin supply collectively. As appears to be traditional smaller Bitcoin hodlers can be often found stacking Bitcoins after significant corrections. It says the minnows at Woonomics refers to with 10 BTCs have accelerated their accumulation since the sell-off in mid-May. They now hold a collective 13.9 of supply. Right, guys? So, in other words, people are buying the dip, long story short. You have whales buying the dip. You have people that own, little whales, right? As what I would call them, right? That own 10 or less, right? Now look at this right here, guys. I'm just going to read the, it says Diamond Hands remaining Bitcoin whales keep on buying the dips, right? Article after article, right? Crypto community sentiment stays bullish on current market. It says, while broader crypto market holds its collective breath, whales are loading up on Bitcoin. Just article after article after article, guys, that shows you whales, people with money, institutional investors, they are buying the dips, right? That's what we should be doing if we want to make life-changing wealth, man. You got to follow the smart money. You got to follow the big money, man. That's what they're doing. That's what we should be doing, right? All right, man, this is what your boy had for you on this Wednesday, a.k.a. Hump Day. Hopefully you had a blessed day and safe day. Stay blessed. Stay tuned until tomorrow, guys. Your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.